Start your mornings right and choose from a large range of hot drinks with this Nespresso coffee machine. It's super versatile and gives you plenty of choice, so you can make whatever coffee you fancy without any trouble by making the most of 5 different cup sizes available. They vary from a 40ml single espresso to a 414ml alto, which means all you need to do is pick your drink and adjust the cup holder. It gives you coffee that's perfectly brewed every time you press the button by unlocking the full flavour and aroma using centrifusion technology. You can relax and let it do the work when you pop in your pod. Its clever smart extraction system reads the barcode and adjusts the brewing settings to suit the blend.